All right, guys, I'm going to teach you my 1 minute chart US 30 trading strategy for 9:30 a.m. I do this every morning at 9:30 a.m. Catch almost 100 pips. Here we go. First, you're going to go to your 1 minute chart. 1 minute. Next, you're going to put a line at 9 a.m. and then a line at 9:30 a.m. This is like, pretend this isn't here. The market's not open yet, okay? Usually every morning, US 30 is trending in a zone. Go ahead and put your resistance and your support at this zone. Remember, this is 9:30 a.m. Market's not open yet. You'll see that it's trending in the zone. Now you look into the future. Now here's the confirmation of the trade. The first candle to close outside of that zone, that's where the market's going, like so. So as you can see, the market opens, it tested this zone, went back up to this zone, didn't close out there, went down there, closed out here, retested, then went back down, retested, and that's where we take our trade. Just like any other trade, you always wait for a retest of a zone to take the trade. Just added confirmation. And bam. You see? Came, retested, barely any drawdown, closed out right down there, and that's pretty much it. Right, just a quick recap. 9 a.m., 9:30 a.m. line. Set your support, set your resistance. Once you see a candle close out, meaning price closed out, this is not a closeout, price closed out. Now you're going to wait for the retest. This is on the 1 minute chart, and you're going to go in any direction that the market's going. That's it. This is a great method to scalp the market. These aren't trades that you're going to be in for hours. You're going to be in there for 15, 20 minutes, in and out. But you catch 100 pips with the right amount of leverage and the right amount of lot size, that could be thousands of dollars. You're welcome. Sign up for my link. So sign up for my Discord. There's no link in my bio. Just go ahead and DM me, and I'll send you the link. Bye-bye.